Bonjour Aïch, ça va?
Ça va bien.
Hello and welcome back to the WPT Deep Stacks Marrakesh. And today with me, I am joined with Aisha, who is a chef here in the beautiful, incredible restaurant La Cour de Lion, which you can find in the Asadi Resort. Now, when you think of Morocco, well, I think of the incredible food and the amazing spices and smells. And actually, the tajine comes from Morocco. And that is exactly what we're going to be making today. Am I correct?
Yes. On va commencer avec les oignons.
Okay.
On va le tailler, ciseler les oignons.
Le pièce très petit.
Ah oui.
Je suis très lente. Mine's a bit different to yours. And this is the base. You can use the whole chicken. The pepper, not too much. Ginger, that's quite a lot. Oh, my favorite, garlic. This is looking very pretty. Just so. All right. So that's quite a lot. C'est beaucoup d'huile. Okay, now we mix. So this is kind of like marinating the chicken. Yours is so neat, mine is so messy. So this is actually the tajine. The dish is named after the pot that it is cooked in. So when it's slow cooking, all of the moisture evaporates and it condenses and it drips back down into the dish. It's very gentle heat. 10 minutes? Ooh. Now we use the saffron, okay. Time to add the olives. The tajine is not a great dish to make if you're really hungry. It's like torture. Alors, tu penses que c'est prêt? It's ready. 1, 2, 3. So finally we get to try our creations. It's been a long time coming, you know, we're all very hungry now. Thank you so much, Aisha, for teaching me. Arguably, you could say hers is better than mine, but really it does all come down to taste. So, bon appetit, and in Arabic? Sahur raha.
For non-stop poker action at home or on the go, sign up today at clubwpt.com, where you'll never lose a dime playing poker, guaranteed.